Nesting tables or nest of tables embody the spirit of simplicity, elegance, and functionality. This practical set of tables is space-saving when not in use and extremely handy when there is a need for the extra place to keep things. A truly versatile, charming, and mobile furniture, don't you think? Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you part 2 of our metal frame nesting table ideas video. This video contains a collection of beautiful and practical metal frame nesting table design ideas which were not included in the previous video. Watch the video until then to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you haven't watched the part 1 video, please use the link in the video description and on the screen to watch it. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. As they are stackable, nesting tables are the ideal space-saving furniture choice, especially if your room size is limited. You can easily move them around depending on your needs and not have to worry about cluttering up your space. There are so many different styles and endless opportunities to decide on them or to decorate them according to your looks. Nesting tables in colorful metallics such as rose or yellow gold bring a splash of energy all on their own, but to make them appear even more colorful than they actually are, pair them with a statement piece in show-stopping hue. Nesting tables are compact, unobtrusive, and versatile. The shoulder trays take part in TV watching at mealtime operations and offer discreet spots for tucking away loose magazines. What's more, nesting tables liberate the space in front of a sofa where a coffee table would otherwise squat, allowing legs to stretch and blood to circulate. Nesting tables have been around for quite some time, but they became really popular lately as people started to appreciate their functionality. Nesting tables are great space-saving solutions for small spaces. They allow you to save space without having to give up comfort of having a lot of furniture. By opting for nesting tables, you basically save a lot of floor space because they fit one inside the other. You can have 3 tables that only take up the space needed for one. This way you spread them throughout the room, use them independently, and then store them cleverly when not needed anymore. Wooden nesting tables have some classic charm. Sleek designs allow you to maintain a very open interior decor. They can also serve as nightstands, coffee tables, and side tables. Use them when guests come over, when you need some extra counter space, a desk for your laptop, or something to put a lamp on in the reading corner. The versatility of nesting tables makes them incredibly practical and functional. They are a perfect choice for small spaces as they allow you to maintain a clean and open interior design without giving up comfort. The tables come in all sorts of designs. Acrylic or glass nesting tables appear to take up even less space, so they are practically interesting. There are few furniture designs that combine simplicity, elegance, convenience, and versatility. One such examples are nesting tables. They are space-saving. They can be used flexibly as tables to hold food and drinks, or even as stools for small children. They can be placed as a stylish statement piece or moved around into new positions. They even make wonderful outdoor furniture. Nesting tables have been around for a long time. Conceptualized as early as the 18th century and chronicled by the British cabinet maker Thomas Sheraton in his book The Cabinet Dictionary in 1803, labeled Quartetto. The modern-day nesting tables are a product of a groundbreaking design movement in the early 1900s in Germany, the Bauhaus movement. Bauhaus, literally construction house, but more appropriately school of design, relates to the German School of Design, which was established in 1919 by architect Walter Gropius in Weimar, with the idea to combine the teaching of arts with the study of crafts and to level the distinction between fine and applied arts, and to reunite creativity and manufacturing. Influenced by the 19th and early 20th century artistic movements such as the arts and crafts movement, constructivism and art nouveau, the Bauhaus ideology was a step away from the traditional styles of the 19th century and was rooted in beauty, simplicity, rationality, and functional utility of design created for the masses but not mass-produced mechanically or industrially. The aim of design was to create a total work of art where students were taught industrial design, sculpture, architecture, cabinet making, metalwork, painting, printmaking, photography, ceramics, weaving, through workshops, along with training in basics of color, form, and material. Although the Bauhaus school was closed down under the Nazi regime in 1933, its influence on modern art, architecture, and design found widespread acclaim in many parts of the world, especially in Western Europe, the United States, Canada, Russia, and Israel. The Bauhaus faculty, along with its students, designed some of the 20th century's most iconic pieces of furniture. The Bauhaus nesting tables are also called Albert nesting tables after their designer Joseph Albers, which was a professor at the Bauhaus. Albers designed these beautiful tables when he was engaged in furniture design during his time at the Bauhaus as artistic director of the furniture workshop. This set of 4 accent tables, graduating in size from large to small, had a solid oak frame and lacquered tabletops in green, yellow, orange, and blue. Nesting tables are of identical style but different size, enabling them to be stacked beneath one another. While such tables are most often found in home living rooms, their practical, compact nature has brought them into professional use as well. Ideal for small spaces, they are often composed of 3 pieces. They are also used as occasional tables in bedrooms and offices. Solid and veneer wood, metal, glass, and other materials are used to make these tables. They come in many different sizes, leg and top configurations, and colors. The stylistic repetition of a set of nesting tables adds a decorative note to the room. Thus, it is important that they complement the other furniture and accessories around them. The amount of space available also should be considered. Advantages: minimal space requirement, simple to use, and reasonably priced. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting metal frame nesting table ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your project from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when you upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.